Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Ps4 and Fortnite are updated. This avoids connection and compatibility issues. Once done, plug in or wake the second controller and sign it into a local Ps4 account. This is required for split screen. Next, using your main controller, launch Fortnite and arrive at the lobby. Make sure you are in a supported playlist like duos or squads. Split screen will not activate in solos or certain limited time modes. This gets you ready to add the second player. Now you add the second player. Select a duos or squads playlist because split screen requires a multiplayer mode. Then, have the second player press the X button on their controller at the lobby. You may need to choose a PSN/local account when prompted. Once connected, assign each player's character and loadout as desired, and confirm both controllers respond in the menu. Make sure both controllers are using the correct profiles, since Fortnite ties split screen to distinct player accounts for progression and customization. With both players signed in and ready, you press ready and start the match. Fortnite will split the screen automatically, usually horizontally. Be aware why performance may change. Split screen halves rendering workload per player and can lower frame rate or change field of view, so adjust graphics or HUD scale if necessary. If the second controller does not join, try signing out and back in, restart the Ps4, or connect the controller via USB to force recognition. That typically resolves most join issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.